you how to use this application here like a pro. So make sure to watch the whole video and stay tuned. The home screen of the application, and down here you have the gallery section where pretty much all the images will go. But at the top here, this is where you're gonna start. So if you tap on this option here, you have a lot of things which you can choose from, which you can start drawing from. As well, you can go at the search bar and search for what you want. But do keep in mind, it's limited on this application. So quite a few ads you may encounter while updating through the application as well. So do keep that in mind. So as you can see, a lot of things which I can draw here. If I want to draw something about food, you can draw that. Let's say I want to draw a vehicle, you can tap on this option here. As well, you can see a lot of things as it relates to cars and bikes, pretty much vehicles. So as you can see here, a lot of them. So all you have to do is just select what you want. Let's say I want to draw this Lamborghini here, and this is the next step that is pretty much important. And let's say you want this mode where you can draw with the camera, and essential, as you can see here, it pretty much shows you what needs to be done or pretty much how it looks once you select this mode. Or you can select the next mode, which is this one, which you can draw on screen option here. So whichever you choose, all depends upon you. So let's say I'm going to draw this option here. May see an ad, so keep in mind, and as you can see here, will last for 5 seconds. Just tap on the X here at the top, and you're pretty much good to go and be able to draw the Lamborghini here. So you just tap on it, arrow down icon there, and you're pretty much good to go. So yeah, that's really pretty much it. And you just put a clear piece of paper. If you want to extend it, you need to rotate the screen and put it in landscape mode and expand the image so you have a better, pretty much a clearer image for you to draw. So that's really pretty much it. And once you're finished, you can pretty much just tap on the complete option at the top. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And once you're finished, I do recommend you select tapping on the capture the result, and it will pretty much go in your gallery section. So if I missed anything or you need any explanation or anything related to this application, please feel free to comment below. I would gladly have to help you out. See you in the next one.